welcome back. I am currently just waking up. Not really just waking up. I've been up since like 8. It's like 9:19 right now. Moving stuff around while I'm vlogging. I need to get a tripod for this because I'm holding it manually. So ghetto. I'm gonna get a tripod. But I'm gonna do some tea and some fruits. I'm just filling up my Keurig. I use bottled water because that's what we got, you know? Got this little thing. I don't know how old or new this Keurig is, but I bought it recently. I'm a very avid tea drinker, as you guys can see. I have a little tea station here. I bought this Lazy Susan from Target. This is the tea that I drink. Ooh, focus. This camera has a harder time of focusing. Alright, lemon ginger, big love. What tea am I drinking today? So I mix, good catch. I mix a lot of my teas. This is where I host them. I mix usually the elderberry, blackberry, Tazo, and the juniper mint honey. For today. I will catch you guys later, probably when I go on my like shopping and stuff. When I do. Working from here because there's too much things going on in my home. When there's too much things going on, I tend to like leave just so I can get some work done. So I'm here. I want to get some work done. I got here like around 2-ish. 2. It's currently 4:02. So I've been here for like 2 hours, and I've been just working. I have a couple of things to work on for work, and then after this I'm gonna leave and go to the mall. So I want to pick up some things from the store. I'm hoping they have it. I want to leave soon before the 5 o'clock traffic hits, you know, people getting off work. So there's that. But yeah, this is my little work from somewhere other than your home day, a random Tuesday. So yeah, I'll let you guys know what I do afterwards. So I think after this, I'll probably end up going back home, and then I had something planned to cook, and that was supposed to be for today. And if I don't cook, I don't know what's gonna happen. So we'll see. I just got out of the mall. I went to Tyson's. I didn't vlog inside because it's not cute. Hold on. It's not cute, okay? I don't like fidgeting with stuff, especially when I'm in the mall. And I went there for one purpose, to buy perfume. The store didn't have it, but it said they had it online. I hate that. I hate when that happens. They say they have it online. They don't have it. So I'm gonna have to order it online, which I could have just did without going to the mall, but I just assumed that they would have it. But they don't. Mom make me so just like, oh, like you wearing a mask, you trying to do this, you trying to do that. It's just like, I don't like going to the mall. I am a girl who likes to order it now. I used to never be that girl. I used to always want to go to the store and pick it up. I'm like, I ain't lazy. The thing is, I can still pick it up at the store, but I'm not going to search for it. Like, I just don't feel like doing that. And with the perfume, like, I knew a perfume I wanted, so I went in there with like the intent to like buy that perfume, and they didn't have it. I went to Sephora. I sprayed a couple of perfumes there, and I smelled my hand. That shit smells good. I'm a perfume girl. I love perfume. There's 2 scents that I really like that I sprayed. I think a Tom Ford one. I think it was called either the Fucking Fabulous or the Bitter Peach. Taking myself back home just because, I don't know, I just want to go home. You know, after you be in the mall and you walk in and you doing all this stuff and you talking, all that stuff, you just want to go home. So that's exactly what I'm doing. Yeah, I'm sitting in the parking garage, you guys. As you can see, I have not moved. I need to put my GPS on. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. I wonder who it's from. I know it's from Amazon, but yay, y'all. I got some Amazon packages. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna unbox these with y'all. These are the GOAT. Let me tell you something about these. If you need box cutters, I don't have like a big, huge box cutter. I just have these, and they come in a pack of like 10 mini ones. I store one in each room. So like I have one in my living room, my dining room, my kitchen, my desk, my bedroom. Guys, so this is the shooting grip that I have bought from Amazon. It's basically when you vlog, you need something that you can hold in your hand and also stand on its own. So that's why I bought this. It's from the brand Numoa, and it's the wired version. I don't know what's the difference between wired or not, but I guess you have to plug this in somewhere. Ooh, it might not work on my phone. I mean, it might not work on my camera because it's wired. And I don't have wired capabilities. We'll see if it works. It's not looking like it's going to. But we'll see. I was so anxious, I just bought it online. I read some reviews and saw that it was good. And then I also read from my camera capabilities to see if it works too. And it said it did. So we will see, y'all. So the second thing I bought was this tripod. It came with the remote for it to shoot. It says iOS, I'm sorry. No, iOS, girl. iOS and Android here. And then it comes with the directions for how to use the remote. And then also it comes with these. This is what you put on the tripod. Yeah, see? You're gonna have to figure this out. I'm like, how do you use this? Technology, y'all. This is the tripod. It's huge. But it comes in a case, which I like. It came wrapped up. Also, I like. I just hope that the legs work, because my tripod, my legs was just not working. And it was kind of making me upset. Ooh, these legs look sturdy. See all these clips at the end? I think this is my issue, because I was like, I don't know how to, what are we using them? But I think it's to stand, like obviously to stand in place. So this is how it looks. It looks very much so structured. The one I had before was not structured at all, girl, okay? It didn't structure anything. So that's what I got. So yeah, tripod, this new handheld one, which I need to figure out if it works for my camera or not. All these extra stuff that it comes with. Hello. Friday, yay. And I'm pretty much done with work for this week. It's like it got really slow, then like too much, then a little bit slow, and then too much. So I'm over it. Like I had to take some time off because my head's starting to hurt. Like it's that type of day. So yeah, I'm definitely over that. But we're here, so that's all that matters. I have dinner reservations tonight at 8, and I need to start getting ready for that soon. All right, y'all, so I just finished getting my makeup on, and I just put on this outfit. I think I'm gonna wear this. I think this is gonna be it. My makeup is basically like my natural makeup look. I don't have any eyeshadow on. I just did like the contour, my highlight, lip gloss, eyebrows, you know the deal. So I am trying to figure out if I want to wear this or not. I think I am. It's a sweater dress with this unique unique neck. I ain't never seen a neck like this before, child, but it'll keep me warm. So I think that's what counts. Okay, so these look triangle black-ish earrings, and I was like, would it look good? I don't know. Maybe the earring is like the issue. Like the type of earring that I'm wearing is the issue, and maybe I should change it into something else. I don't know. I would say, like, what do y'all think? But by the time this video go out, I'm already gonna wear what I'm gonna wear. Okay, I'll figure it out. But that's my dilemma right now. And I need to change my purse because my other purse has stuff in it.
Mommy, relax. Tonight is my night, ma. Go do what you gotta do. You feel me? Give mom a little buckle, let her do what she like to do. But make sure you do something different tonight. Explore.
Y'all, Twitter be cracking me up. I just got to the restaurant. I just pulled up. I am parked. I got a good parking spot, so you know I'm feeling myself. I got a good parking spot. I'm in the front. I ain't gotta walk. And I got this dress on, so you know it's cold, so I ain't trying to walk. So I'm gonna go inside because my friend has arrived. And yeah, so they're checking up on like wine. I could have we're gonna. You know what? Hi. You do? Yeah. Found out that I do vlogs, and she's gonna get me in the wine tasting, even though it's booked.
Don't they have different pairs in there?
Yeah, when I'm pouring it.
Alright.
She wanted to be in the vlog. We gotta cheers.
Okay, let's cheers it. To reuniting.
And it feels so good. Me too. This one is. It's because it's because of me. It was because of me. I don't know. We debated stuff. I even broke a wine glass.
What you be doing in that house?
This is good. Yeah, wine is better when it's when you're not in your house. Good morning, guys. So it is Sunday morning, February 6th, and I just left church. Well, I'm about to leave church. I'm in the parking lot. Today's sermon, whatever, was really good. So yeah, now I'm about to head out to get some coffee and some beignets with my friends. I have a very, very busy day ahead of me. Alright, so just made it to dinner for tonight. She's ordering her drink. We had appetizers, we had fries, and this chicken, and it's been good. We're gonna do this. Our food on this iPad. We get to pick out what we want. So let's do it. You want to do? Okay, seafood. What do you want? They have garlic shrimp, octopus, spicy calamari, spicy salmon, barbecue mussels. What do you do like garlic shrimp and octopus? Garlic shrimp and octopus? Okay. It's all getting cooked together. Okay, so let's do that. Really well.